well-being, a science, a science of youthfulness, a science of integrating body, mind, and soul. Namaskar, everyone. I, Muskan Wahal, on behalf of Manaskriti School, welcome you all in this spirited session of yoga. I extend my sincere thanks to all the lovely parents who have taken out time from their busy schedule and joined us today. It is said that prayer is the most important conversation of your day. Take it to God before you take it to anyone else. I thereby request grade 8 students to come forward for Gayatri Mantra.
नहीं कर रहा ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः शांति शांति शांति
The nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. It does not transform the way we see things. It transforms the person who sees. On that note, I would like to welcome Ms. Priyanka, our yoga mentor for the day. Ms. Priyanka has finished her advanced yoga course for internationally certified level. She has also been certified by Ayush from the Yoga Institute, Santa Cruz, Bombay, the oldest institute of the world. She is also pursuing study of chakra, dharana, kundli yoga, meditation, and yoga nidra. In this pandemic, Ms. Priyanka has observed that many people have suffered because of unhealthy eating habits and poor lifestyle. She believes that they could be in better state with the help of yoga. We are delighted to have you here, ma'am. I would now request our HM ma'am, Ms. Vijaya Sethi, to share a few words.
Thank you so much. Namaskar to everybody and a very warm welcome to all of you. It's nice to see that we have almost 80 children and parents who've joined us today. So we are sure that a lot of positive energy that we will be able to generate today via the medium of yoga, and such a beautiful day. It's the summer solstice today. So a lot of energy as it is there in our environment and the universe today. So with the help of yoga and its positive energy, and with Priyanka ma'am with us, we are very much confident and sure that today there will be a lot to learn, lot to give to the society and to the mankind around. Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am.
Can we start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, namaskar to all the divine souls and my little pumpkins. Hope you all are doing good and well. So, as ma'am says that yoga is my passion, and I live my every single moment with flow. It doesn't mean that I'm doing all time yoga and pranayama. There are 4 pillars of yogic lifestyle. I'm following that steps. So we'll talk about the ABAB later. So first, I want to discuss about my plan of today's session. So first we'll do conditioning ourselves. I will discuss the conditioning with all of you later. Or after that, we will discuss the significance of International Yoga Day and the origin of yoga, then importance of yoga with the 4 yogic pillars ABAB, and then we'll start our practical asana and pranayama class. So let's begin with the conditioning. So it's not an easy job to quickly make your mind focus on any activities. Conditioning is practice the mind for further practice. It can do with anyone else. It brings clarity of mind. It can be practiced with anyone. It increases your awareness, mindfulness, and it gives you inner harmony and stops the fluctuation of mind. तो फॉर किड्स लाइक आपकी मैम ब्लैक बोर्ड पे जब कुछ लिखती है तो उसे वाइप करती है कोई पता है कि मैम ब्लैक बोर्ड क्यों वाइप करती है एनी चिल्ड्रन
Any child who would want to say, जब मैम ब्लैक बोर्ड पे कुछ लिखती हैं तो उसको फिर से वाइप क्यों करती हैं?
We want to say. Ma'am, to clean it.
yes great बिकॉज मैम को उसे वाइप करके उस पे कुछ और लिखना होता है और या हमारा ब्लैक बोर्ड डर्टी होता है तो अभी कंडीशनिंग क्यों करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे माइंड में बहुत सारी चीजें आ रही हैं तो हम एक बार चुपचाप से आग बंद करके एक बार मतलब पूरी शांति से हमारे माइंड में जो सब कुछ आ रहा है उसे हमें क्लीन करना है तो उसके लिए हमें कंडीशनिंग करनी पड़ती है जैसे मैम ब्लैक बोर्ड वाइप करती है कुछ अच्छा और उसे अगर गलत होता है उसे ठीक करने के लिए ऐसे ही हमें अपने माइंड में जो भी कुछ आ रहा है उसे रिमूव करने के लिए कंडीशनिंग करना हो तो प्लीज सिट इन सुखासन और इजी पोज प्लेजेंट पोज with spine erect hands resting on your legs palm facing down your chin parallel to the floor and facing ahead in front of you. After that, please close your eyes and follow my instruction, please. If you have any clinical depression problem, then please don't close your eyes. Otherwise, you can close your eyes. Now focus on your breath. Just inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Try to focus on your breath. And equalize your inhalation and exhalation. Take a mental count. Like if we inhale for 3, exhale for 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Just focus on your breath and ignore all the sounding at your surrounding. Just focus on your breath. Just feel the cool air while inhaling and feel warm air while exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and bring all the positive thoughts, positive vibes, positive attitudes. And while exhaling, remove all negativity, negative thoughts, negative attitudes. Just focus and aware for your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now bring your hands in Namaste Mudra, front of your chest, and maintain your closed eyes. We will do Om chanting 3 times. With deep inhalation, and we in Om chanting we have 3 akar: akar, okar, and makar. Akar and O is silent, and the long akar is ma, makar. So let's start with me. Deep inhalation. Om. Once more. Om. One more time. Om. Shanti. 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 Just rub your palm. Make it warm. Now cup your eyes and place your eyes in the darkness of your palm 2-3 times. And just release your hands. Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar, ma'am.
नमस्कार मैम.
So,
Namaskar, ma'am. Namaskar, ma'am.
so today is the 7th International Yoga Day. And why we celebrate? So today is 7th International Yoga Day. And every year there are different themes for this event. And this year the theme is yoga at home or yoga with family. Anyone knows what is the purpose of International Yoga Day and why we celebrate 21st June? Anyone knows? Okay, I'm sharing. The International Yoga Day is marked on 21st since 2015. Okay, ma'am, can I share my screen also? I need to share on slide.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
So the Yoga Day is marked on June 21st. Since 2015, it is a gift to India and the whole world. The idea to mark the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, June 21, and the International Yoga Day was proposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to the United Nations General Assembly on 11 December 2014. This day is being celebrated throughout the world annually since 2015 with the objective to bring about awareness about the health benefits of yoga and its several practice. The aim of this day to educate people about the physical, mental, and spiritual benefits that can be derived by practicing yoga. So, who is Yogi? Adi Yogi Shiva is the founder of yoga. The word yoga was first mentioned in golden sacred text, the Rig Veda. The word yoga comes from Sanskrit yuj, which means to unite or union. Yoga means union of the mind with the divine intelligence of yoga universe. Maharishi Patanjali, founder of the yoga philosophy, says yoga is concentration. He also defines yoga chitta vritti nirodha. So, which means yoga is stoppage of fluctuation of mind. Vedanta defines yoga as union of individual soul with a universal soul. Bhagavad Gita defines yoga as terms of karma by saying yoga karmasu koshalam, which means excellence in work is yoga. Yoga is different from other physical activities that are mainly focused on fitness, stamina, and muscles are competitive. The purpose of yoga practice to create health, body awareness, and mindfulness. Yoga practice is concentration. Yoga practice make a person calm, confident, self-aware, and after yoga practice, you don't feel restless and lethargic. In fact, you feel more energetic and good, and it's all benefits for everyone, adults, kids, householder, everyone. Yoga is a balanced state of mind, body. Children have flexible, so practice asana quickly as they are at growing stage of life. And to need more concentration and mindfulness also. Yoga increase neuromuscular system. So yoga increase awareness and discipline in your life. But as per our institute, children can practice asana at the age of 6 and 7 years when they have some understanding. Also, the pranayams are not recommended to children below as they should not hold their breath. Heavy. This is a pillar of yogic lifestyle, which is all yogic practitioners follow these ABA. So ABA is AHA, stand for food for wellness. It is about what to eat, how to eat, when to eat, how to eat, and how much to eat. And for rest, recreation, and sleep wellness. If we have no time to relax, sleep, and no me time, then we feel restless, lethargic, irritated, fatigued, whole day. What is Achara? Stands for your routine and patterns and how you follow your routine to improve your lifestyle. There yoga emphasizes to taking care of your own oneself, ourselves. Development has to be guided by dharma. So what is dharma? Dharma is not any caste or reason. Dharma is a first duty for ourselves. So we have to take care of our routine for our healthy lifestyle first. Because an empty glass nothing do for anyone else. So your first dharma is for yourself. Next is vichar. Stand for positive thoughts, pattern, and a goal in life. Time for Vihar and Achar are necessary for holistic well-being, but they can fall flat. Fourth pillar of Vichar is weak or altogether missing. Vichar or way of thinking impacts us every minute of our life. We have to take care of four pillars to lead healthy and happy life. Impact many of them cause illness and suffering. So thank you for my slide. I'm stopping the slide. So prerequisite for yoga, loose comfortable clothes and yoga mat. Food intake should be 2 hours before. Water gap is half an hour. Practice in well-ventilated room. Do not unduly strain on your facial muscles or your any part. Do all practice on your capacity and with gentle smile. The most important thing. Okay, so let's start our practical asana practice. So just stand on your mat. First stand tall. With standing, make sure you have full pressure on your knees. But all focus on your feet. No eating. This. Otherwise, you get hurt your knee. Now, take one quick distance. Okay? Measure with your legs. One foot. Your hands on your respective side. We will do first neck exercise. Okay? Now, don't bend your neck. Just facing ceiling. And down. Just your cheek to your chest. You can see here. Then rise up. Just open your mouth up. Like open and close. You can see here. Go down. You can see. Don't use your shoulder. Up. Down. Up. Open and close your mouth. Sides. Down. Center. Just raise your right shoulder from center and gaze your left shoulder. From center, right shoulder. You can feel stretch on this part of your neck. Now we do clock and anti-clockwise rotation. So first let's start from right. Let's come to the center and down. Now from left side. Don't move your shoulders. Move your neck. Now from right side. Now from left. Now we do shoulder exercise. So that's up, down, up, and down, up, and down. Now we do shoulder rotation from front, back, front, up, back, front, up, back. Now we do backward, up, front, back, up, front, back, up, and front. Now we do arm stretch. So take your right arm on that side, and from this hand, just take a fist and just push. Hold this shoulder, this elbow. Just push your right hand from your forearms. Now with other hand. Now stretch from back, from your other hand. Like this. Elbow facing up to the ceiling. Now with other hand. Now interlock your hand And stretch. Stretch. Now up. Down. Up. And down. Out. Side. Only through your upper body. Your hips will not move. So some styles for this. So just move clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. Now we'll do movement for our fingers. So just move first point of your fingers. 5 times. Now second joint, 5 times. Now hold. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Now we'll do twisting. Just raise your hand on shoulder level. First we twist at right side. Don't move your this technique. And this is your hip region on your back. Don't go this. And this. Then. Come to the center, our left side. Once more. If you feel you are going that like that, just make it correct yourself. Now left. Now center. And hands down. Now we do some front and backward bending. Let me show this side. So just raise your hand on shoulder levels. And we have to bend arch, but only for upper back, not lower back. And just go down. Touch your toes or touch the floors or hold your calf muscles. If you can, go according to your capacity. If you can touch your heel from your forehead, then it's very good. But if not, then it's okay. Just move with your own capacity. Come up and stop. So one more time. Arch back. Go down. Touch your toes first. If you can touch your toes, then touch the ground. And if you can touch the ground, then hold your calf muscles and go down. And touch your feet. Then come up. Raise the hands. Now we do pine tree pose. So just take the distance from your respective side. Just raise your one hand and simultaneously your come on your toes. So right. Other hand. Now do from both hands. Okay. For you, take your teddy bears. Take your teddy bears. Hold your teddy bears and go. and come down. And hug your daddy. Go up and down. It's good for your height, guys. So now sit down. So just stretch your legs. Your back should be straight. Your toes pointing ceiling. If there is gap, then press your knees, touch the ground. Your hands on your thighs, and you will do some flexing. So just flex your toes out and in, out and in, out and in. Now do rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. But make sure your toes, your heel, your feet stick together. And your spine straight. Now put your knees. Just hold your knees and release. Hold and release. Hold and release. Now we'll do butterfly. So how we do butterfly? In this pose, just bend your one leg and try to touch the ground with the back of your hands. Try to put the knees to the ground first. Then straight. This is a warm-up exercise for butterfly pose. Now it's sitting leg. Now I do with both legs. Now flap like butterfly. Now if you can touch your feet or touch the ground, which is comfortable, and do your own capacity. And try to, with your elbow, just push this. Muscles come up. Now release your one leg first. And some movement. Okay. Now do mountain pose. So this pose is good for our digestion, our reproductive system, and our extremities. It can be done with all of you. So just raise your hand. And bend right. Come to the center. Come left. Don't mess up your hips. It should be ground on the floor. Now right. Straight. Elbow. Don't move. Bend your elbow. Now left. Now face to your right side. It gives strength to your spine, and it's good for your abdominal fat also. If any pregnant lady in the group, please do not do this asana. Now arch back and down, parallel to the floor. Now come up and release your hand. Now we'll do some exercise for eyes. So you have got kids atone for the goal. It is for kids, don't worry guys. So hold your ball and see for right hand, hold from right hand, don't use your shoulder. Only your eyes all move. See your ball with your right hand?
2 ball, 1 ball.
One. See your ball. Not so snake, only eyeball. See? Like this.
Ma'am, green tennis ball.
Now this. Can do this. It's only. For adults, we can raise our right shoulder and then left, right, and left. Now up, down, up, and down. Only eyeballs is moving, not shoulder and neck. Not shoulder and neck, guys. Okay, not neck, only eyes. Now, clockwise rotation with your eyeball. And anti-clock. Please do not do with any lenses or any specs. It's good for eyes. Okay, now we'll do some face exercise. So just roll your tongue anti-clockwise and clockwise. With your mouth. Please hit it. While yogis, guys, don't plunge like this. Keep it straight. Your shoulder roll back and down. Relax. Fingers of your mouth. Mouth out. And open your mouth. Right. You can feel stress on your facial muscles. It's good for anti-aging and wrinkles, any anti-aging signs. Now for this part, widening your eyebrows. Must clench your mouth for this reason. Definitely feel strain for facial muscles. So now we'll do some light asanas. So first we will do firm posture. So we'll lie down from right side. And why from right side? Because our left third has extra pressure because it supplies blood to our whole body. So we will lie down from right side. And how we lie down? Just make pillow of your right hand and straight hand, straight leg. Just relax and time on this posture. As this asana is good for relaxation, mindfulness, concentration, and it's good for depression people also. And anything, no limitation or contact. Now come to supine position, lie down on your back with leg folded. Take the distance with your hips and your knees. Only this or starting to your body. Again, 1 feet distance on your legs. Hands on respective side. In the frame, this is a great pose. It's good for back, but for spinal injury and for abdominal surgery or some severe this cannot do this also. But this is good for back pain and it's good for giving stress to your lower abdominal also. So it's for digestive system and your digestive organs also. Just raise your upper back from your shoulder and upper back is raised according to your capacity and dimension. You have back pain, that this is a good ask for back pain. Once again, lift your body with it. Next, put your ground. Do not move your neck or shoulder. Hold out. Now into the prayer free posture. This is good for digestion again, and this gives blood circulation on your abdominal region. So this fold your one leg, pointed or pointed out, and then also pointed in this way. And just hug your leg to give pressure to your tummy or your chest region. Come on. Now stay, release your pointed toes, leg release, with other leg. Release. Now both the legs, give pressure. So pretty strong. Hug your leg. You can touch your forehead with your down, the legs. Stay strong. Right side. Plus. Now we do cobra pose. Again, this is good for digestion, good for back pain, back spine, and reproductive system is good for women also. It cannot be done with any abdominal surgery or back surgery, or in menstrual period cannot perform this asana, pregnant lady perform this. So your hands on your hand on your chest level. This. And for starting position, your forehead touches your mat. We have to raise our upper part, our navel part, which is our pelvic area, touch the ground. Only we have to like this. Our pelvic, this navel area touch the ground. Only upper part. Like a snake, cobra, it's called cobra pose. Knees and toes together. If you have face is back, then open your legs 1 feet distance. If you have no face, then find your feet and toes. And just raise. Come down. Now again. Now come down. Come into crocodile pose. It is good for relaxation. Your right hand down, your left hand up, and just relax. Now your other side, change your hands and push to the inside. Now again, right side. Relax in this posture. Now find position on your back. Do stick pose. And place your hand up and stretch your body. But pointed, your toe pointed out. Stretch your feet like this. It's good for blood circulation. This is good for kids' health. And stretch your body like someone stretch you from upward and someone stretch you from downward also. The body like cutting in two parts. And just release. Once more, just raise your hand up for your head. Toe pointed out and stretch. Then just release. Now come on your right side. Again. Now relax. Sit in present pose. It's Sukhasana or kidney pose. Now we'll do pranayama. But we will not hold in this pranayama because we have kids also. Settle. We'll do pranayama. First we'll do from our thoracic region. Just your fingers on your wrist and your thumb back. And while inhaling, feel your ribs goes up and your chest expand. And while exhaling, your ribs settle down and chest contract. The speed, put your hands here, your fingers in front and your thumb on back. You can feel this. You touch and inhale. I'll give you count. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 3. This is good for oxygen. This is good for asthma. It improves your lung capacity. It gives you oxygenated in your blood. Now you clavicular breathing. So put your hands here on your collarbone region, your fingers, and your thumb on your shoulder. You breathe here, collarbone, on collarbone. Your fingers on your collarbone and your thumb on your shoulder. You feel your clavicular muscle. No one can feel like you. Just move your big hand and touch there. You can feel moving the bone. Here. You can feel movement. See? Clavicular bone. So just inhale, our shoulder goes up, and while exhaling, shoulder goes down. Okay. And your hands parallel to the floor. Don't make this. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we do diaphragmatic breathing or abdominal region. Okay. So place your right hand on your navel and left hand on resting on your thigh. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now we do deeply pranayama. Cooling pranayama. Okay. It's still cooling our body, stomach. And if you feel any ancient yogi says when they feel hunger or thirst, they can do this. They perform this asana because it's controlled at some point. Thirst. अगर हमें कभी प्यास लगती है या कभी भूख लगती है तो हम ये वाला आसना करके इसे कम कर सकते हैं. ओके बट खाना खाना है तो नहीं कि आसना कर दिया और खाना पानी नहीं खाना. ओके so just make pouch. You all know how to make pouch and draw your tongue out. Insert from sides. Just make a hollow pipe of your tongue. ठीक मेरा भी नहीं होता है. 80% पॉपुलेशन नहीं कर पाती है. But we can try. And we have another cooling pranayam also. Those who cannot do this, we can do this. See?
Ma'am, like this?
No, you have to curl from side. Like this. No, you cannot do with hands. I'm showing only. We have to make 5. And then breathe, inhale. You can feel cool.
Ma'am, ma'am, like this?
Yes.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am,
Very
like
good.
this?
I cannot see. Yes, Anya. Yes, Aradhya. Actually, मुझसे नहीं होता है.
Ma'am, like this?
Who is this? I cannot. Sorry. You can check Aradhya and Anya Dikshit grade 2. They can do. They are doing very good.
Ma'am, Rishika.
I cannot able to see your screen. Sorry. You have to just roll your tongue. Curl from both the sides. And just inhale. If you can, I have another cooling pranayam. Because जो ये नहीं कर सकते वो वाला करते हैं. Like me, मैं भी नहीं कर सकती. इसीलिए मैं वो वाला करती हूँ. So just inhale first. We'll do this. You can feel cooling. If you अगर आप अच्छे से करो तो आप पूरा यहाँ तक से cool feel करोगे. ठीक? And just take your tongue inside and exhale from your nose. Now we'll do another one. We have to clench from our teeth. Like we smile and inhale and exhale from our nose. We have to clench our teeth and inhale from our cavity. तो जो रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं मेरे जैसे वो ये वाला करते हैं for cooling. Okay, this is good for thirst and hunger, and this is good in summer season. Okay, and everyone can do this also. Pranam.
बड़ी मलेरिया का निकल रहा
Now we'll do Anulom and Vinulom. Okay. So for small kids, I have requested, I think, a straw, one glass, and one balloon. छोटे बच्चों के लिए, they cannot do this pranayam. एक गिलास पानी का ले लीजिए और जिसके अंदर स्ट्रॉ डाल दीजिए एक, and just blow. With water in glass. Because छोटे बच्चे नहीं कर सकते हैं प्राणायाम, तो उनकी ऑक्सीजन लेवल बढ़ाने के लिए, उनकी लंग कैपेसिटी इंप्रूव करने के लिए ये हम डेली भी कर सकते हैं, रोज भी कर सकते हैं, 2 टाइम्स कर सकते हैं, मॉर्निंग में भी और इवनिंग में भी. जस्ट गिव देम ग्लास विद वाटर एंड स्ट्रॉ एंड जस्ट ब्लो. Or give them candle and blow.
Ma'am, I have not.
Okay, कोई नहीं, आप ऐसे ही ब्लो करो जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. Again.
Ma'am, I have not straw in my home.
कोई बात नहीं, आप सिर्फ सिर्फ ऐसे करो. देखो मेरे पास भी ग्लास नहीं है. Sorry.
Ma'am, I
You have balloon. Good, Yash. I can see you. Pratik, good. Arav. Anshika. Great. Mehul. Deena. Mehak. Adyaman. Daksh. Great, guys. And you have balloon also. So just blow the balloon. If not, okay. अगर नहीं है तो ये प्रैक्टिस आपको रोज करनी है. एक तो स्ट्रॉ वाली और एक बैलून वाली. ये आपके ऑक्सीजन, आपके लंग्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. और जिन्हें अस्थमैटिक प्रॉब्लम होती है, बच्चों को या बड़ों को, वो भी ये कर सकते हैं प्राणायाम. उनके लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है.
Anu namaskar all a balloon.
Yes, yes, good. Pratik, good. Just blow.
Ma'am, see mine.
Whose?
Ma'am, Chirag.
Yes, good. Patrika, good. Yes, good.
I'm like this.
Yes, yes, good, good. Harshal, Anshika, good. Great done. Now we'll do अनुलोम विलोम, but please छोटे बच्चों को नहीं करना है, वो इसी को कंटिन्यू करें. ये सब बड़ों के लिए है, आप लोगों को नहीं करना है, ओके? So make in right hand Vishnu mudra. You have to fold your first index finger and middle finger and touch your starting point of your thumb like this. And this should be straight. Thumb should be straight. And on this hand, Gyan mudra. Flexing this on your left. Okay? छोटे बच्चों को नहीं करना है. Your back should be straight, shoulder relaxed. And we have to put like this. We have 72,000 nadis. So right वाली को पिंगला नाड़ी बोलते हैं और लेफ्ट वाली को ईड़ा नाड़ी बोलते हैं. This is only for information. राइट नाड़ी जो होती है पिंगला नाड़ी, ये सन को रिप्रेजेंट करती है, तो ये वार्म होती है. एंड लेफ्ट वाली ईड़ा नाड़ी मून को प्रेजेंट करती है, तो ये कूल वाली होती है. तो वी हैव टू यूज बोथ. एंड हमें होल्ड भी करना है, बट छोटे बच्चे नहीं करेंगे. आप अपना स्ट्रॉ से और बैलून से ब्लो करो. So we have to inhale from this for 2 count and exhale from this side. And then again inhale from left and then exhale from right. This is a 1 round, and after that close both the nostrils and hold for 3. I'm giving demo first, then please see me first. So index finger on your left and right thumb on your right nostril. Left here, right. So I'm closing this first, inhaling from right side for 2 count. 1, 2. Inhale किया 2 count के लिए, then बंद किया इसे, and exhale किया 1, 2 from left. Okay, फिर यही से वापस लेफ्ट से इनहेल किया for 2, 1, 2. फिर बंद करा, राइट से एक्सहेल किया. ये हुआ 1 राउंड. इसके बाद दोनों को बंद किया और ब्रेथ होल्ड करें for 2. Okay, let's start. Inhale from right, 1, 2. Then exhale from left, 1, 2. Then inhale from left, 1, 2. And exhale from right, 1, 2. Now close both the nostril and hold the breath, 1, 2. Then release. Then again, one more round. Inhale from right, 1, 2. Then exhale from left, 1, 2. Then start from inhaling from left, 1, 2. Now exhale from right, 1, 2. Now close both the nostril and hold, 1, 2. Now release. How are you guys? All well? All fine?
Yes,
Did you enjoy the class?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any pain or stretch? Or any part?
No,
Any cause? Okay, good, good. So any question for me? Any questions? If no question, then I have one game for you. Do you want to play?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm sharing a link on chat box. Please check this. Thank you.
Ma'am, what to do with you?
I'm telling. Just give me a second. I'm giving you a link. Click on it, and there will be a student. Copy paste the code there. Just check your chat box.
Yes, ma'am, I give it.
Received,
Click on
ma'am.
that link. Click on that link.
Ma'am, I click it.
And mention your name also there. And copy paste the link code there.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am,
There are
I
some
click.
social answers.
Ma'am, this open ma'am, it's open near pod.
Yes.
Welcome to your lesson. Name
Yes.
Now select the time to climb them. Now select the theme, space theme, and continue.
Ma'am, can you tell me again? Ma'am, do we need to click on
Just click on the link.
the website? Ma'am, we need to click on the website.
मैंने आपको एक लिंक शेयर करा है ना चैट बॉक्स पे, आप उस पे क्लिक करो.
Ma'am, what you have to write in other optional name? Ma'am, ऊपर name लिख दिया. अब नीचे
भारत शर्मा ज्वाइन.
मैम उसका नीचे वाला क्या करना है? क्या लिखना है?
उदयवीर जय शिवेन ठाकुर. हाँ जी.
मैम ऊपर वाले पे हमने अपना नाम लिख दिया.
हाँ जी. ऊपर वाले में नाम लिख दिया.
और नीचे वाले में जैसे ऊपर वाले मैंने चिराग लिख दिया.
नीचे वाले में कुछ नहीं लिखना उसमें.
ओके मैम, ज्वाइन लेसन.
यस.
ओके, आई ज्वाइन इट.
कैरेक्टर सेलेक्ट कर लो आप सब अपने. 13 बच्चे ज्वाइन हो चुके हैं. 14.
मैम यस, मैम कोई भी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी कोई भी आपके चॉइस का कोई भी.
It's taking time to download.
मैम
यस.
आपके लिंक फिर से भेज सकते हैं.
वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग बेटा.
Volume is very. Ma'am, can you share the link again in chat box?
Okay. I'm sharing.
Ma'am, what is this game? What do we have to do in this? Choose your character.
Just wait.
Ma'am,
Now join the link. I sent again.
I just
Now I'm starting the quiz, baby.
start. Ma'am, now.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes. I just started, ma'am. Join lesson.
Yes.
Ma'am, I just started. Ma'am, what's the code? Do this link, ma'am.
Just click on the link. Just click on the link. बेटा आपकी मम्मा से पूछूंगी ना, एक बार उन्हें बोलो. टेंशन है. हेलो
मैम, सी चिराग.
I can see
Ma'am, what do
33,
we have to do
34.
in this? Ma'am, this one have to do
This is a
this.
quiz game, beta. This is a quiz game. Just wait, just wait.
players हो गए?
Ma'am,
अभी 35 हो गए हैं.
Ma'am, can you wait 1 minute?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you wait 1
I'm
minute?
very excited.
Okay. 37. Please join.
Too fast, everyone.
I am Atya Srivastava, Manik, Lance, Sola,
Ma'am, please start.
Devi.
Not so many children will be able to join also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, starting, guys.
Ma'am, please wait. I'm done. Started. Ma'am, code क्या है?
Check. Tanvi, Rashmi, Bhargav, Jay. There are 40 kids. Just start the game.
Ma'am, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Ma'am, my answer is I don't know correct.
Ma'am, what's the code?
There is no code, baby.
I can't do it. I can't join the website.
See, kids are playing. Wow, Mehak, Shavi, Anshka, Ansh.
Is today. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have joined now. Can you tell me what I have to do?
And can you repeat the code?
I'm done.
There is a link on chat box. But we have started the games.
Ma'am, can you repeat the code?
Ma'am, I will not receive the link. Ma'am,
Link is in chat box में link है. आप check करो.
मैम पर मैंने चेक करा तो नहीं मिला मेरे को।
Ma'am, can you please repeat the code?
मैम पहले मिला था अब नहीं मिल रहा मेरे को।
Ma'am, there is a not इधर कोई कोड नहीं है, बस एक लिंक है, उस पे क्लिक करना है और गेम स्टार्ट करना है. जो क्वेश्चंस आंसर है वहां पर है, बस उसका रिप्लाई करना है और पॉइंट्स हो गए बस.
मैम गेम इज वेरी इजी। मैम गेम इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। मैम गेम
Thank
इज
you.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग।
Thank you.
मैम गेम इज loud, it is not showing further.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Great going.
ma'am, can you do again? The word yoga was first mentioned in
दोबारा
which
भेजना चाहिए.
of the oldest century? Can't do the website. I can't download it. Stop. I don't know.
Wrong answer.
Why is there a cloud on the page only?
And my answer is correct.
Great.
Who was the
So much intelligence.
of the yoga
Guys.
philosophy?
Okay, so the top scorers will also be given some prizes from the school. So let's see the top scorers.
Ma'am, can you start again?
Two more questions.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Good.
Can we?
Children, a few of you have joined us late. You joined us very late.
Sorry
Yoga
बच्चों जो लेट ज्वाइन किया है. Sorry.
International Yoga Day.
Now last question.
Ma'am, please can you say?
So Mehak and Aratrika are the top scorers right now. Let us see what happens further.
Narendra Modi. Ma'am, Narendra Modi.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Yes. Right answer.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Last question. Last
Only
question.
showing the cloud, ma'am. Mine is only showing the cloud. It is not playing the game.
Arnav, maybe you joined little late. That's why it's not
Yes.
happening.
And maybe
Oh,
some
ma'am,
internet
I
problem.
joined from starting. Ma'am, I
No,
joined
you
from
joined the
starting.
game late. That's why you joined the
Game,
game.
beta,
late.
game.
It's the game we are talking about now.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, answer is correct.
Good. So Mehak is the first.
Lovely. Let's see the score panel. Mehak, Aratrika, Bhargav, Ranvijay, Ansh, Gatik, Chirag, Mehul, Sharvi, Shiveen, the top 10. Okay. Lovely. So Mehak and Aratrika, definitely prize on your way.
Great, guys. Congratulations.
Ma'am, can we play that game again? I also wanted to play that.
It was really very fun. Really very fun.
Ma'am, can we
So
play
sweet.
that again? I also want to
So now, guys, thank you so much. Now, one more thing. You have to spread your arms. How you spread your arms? Everyone.
Ma'am, can we play
Okay.
again? That's fun. I didn't play.
इतना टाइम थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट हो रहा है तो जस्ट I need to close the session. So just spread your arms with energy, not this. Like this. For everyone, just spread your arms. Hug yourself. अपने आप को प्यार करते हो ना सब? Just hug yourself and rock yourself and say, I love myself. Say. अभी अपना नाम बोलना है second time, ठीक है? Just spread your arms, hug yourself, rock yourself. I love Priyanka. Priyanka नहीं बोलना, okay? अपना नाम बोलना. Great. So now I conclude the session with beautiful quote. True yoga is not about the shape of our body, but the shape of life. Yoga is not to be performed, it's to be lived. Yoga doesn't care about what you have. Okay? Follow your dream, work hard, make sure you eat a variety of foods, plenty of exercise, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. And thank you, Manaskriti and team, Principal Ma'am, Rashmi Ma'am, to bless me with this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Ma'am,
Priyanka ma'am.
I'm sharing a Google form on chat box.
Very fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
I'm
Priyanka ma'am.
sharing- Thank you, ma'am. I'm sharing a Google form link. So just fill and send back to me for any feedback or suggestion or advice for me. So मैं आगे अपने में कुछ improvement कर सकूं. So I'm sharing this. और जिन parents को नहीं मिला है और जो log out कर चुके हैं, please share with those parents also, ma'am. This is for my improvement, please.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an
Thank you,
engaging
ma'am.
session. Now I would like to invite Principal ma'am to address the students.
Okay, namaskar children and a very warm
Namaskar, ma'am.
and
Namaskar, ma'am.
namaskar to all the lovely parents who have logged in and the
Namaskar,
lovely
ma'am.
educators and namaskar to the guest of the day, Miss Priyanka. I think today, Miss Priyanka, you have
Thank you, ma'am.
actually included in your session all the innovative strategies that we also try to incorporate in a session of ours. So kudos to you. I'm overwhelmed to see your session. What lovely way you had and it was so doable. It was something very approachable and something which we all can relate to. So on this International Yoga Day, which was started by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, dear students and parents, the theme of this International Yoga Day is Yoga for Well-Being. So children and parents and everybody who is listening to us, please make yoga not as one day practice or a day of special. Make it as a ritual. Make it as a regular practice with your family. Start it up with your family, not as an individual, I would advise, because when you are in a group, it gives you that energy, it gives you those positive vibes that yes, we all have to do it together. Now, to understand the path of yoga, first of all, we all have to understand the psychology behind yoga. And the psychology behind yoga is, children, Siddha. And Siddha is all relating to empowering and also accepting and overcoming. What we have to overcome? We all have to overcome ego, Ghamand. That is what we all have to overcome. And what we have to empower ourselves, we have to empower our mind with positive thoughts, and we have to rationalize our thinking. This is what our intellect. We all have to become very rational and wise children and countrymen of this country. So on this note, thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am, once again from all my lovely staff. And I would also like to make an appeal to the admin team that today, as you were there every day, so Manuskriti also takes a pledge that every day when we all step into the campus of Manuskriti, we would be following yoga. And all our lovely students will also do yoga every day. There were such lovely, simple asanas, which I think each one of us can do. In the end, which the nice, wonderful interactive quiz that you played, Priyanka, that was something very, very approachable. And I'm sure all these children have connected and understood the essence of yoga. And it was so nice to see even teachers joining it up, and they were also trying to play. So that is the magic of Manuskriti, where we all try to work like a family. Thank you so much, Priyanka, from the bottom of our heart.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to improve myself.
I don't think there is any scope of improvement. You are an actual somebody who has walked the lesson plan of Manuskriti, I would say today.
Yes, ma'am. Truly said by Principal ma'am. Yoga, the theme of yoga, yoga for well-being, yoga with family. I would say that thanks are the highest form of thoughts, and that gratitude is happiness doubled. I thank Manuskriti School and thank Principal ma'am for organizing this yoga session for all the Manuskriti minds and the staff members. Thank you, Priyanka ma'am, for coming and enlightening us and helping us to reach to the level. We'll try to do yoga every day. Thank you so much, parents and lovely Manuskriti minds, for joining this session. Namaskar from our side.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Can we do a Shanti mantra in the end?
Namaskar, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Namaskar, ma'am.
So just sit in a Sukhasan, or if you sit in chair, just spine erect, shoulder relaxed, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Just close your eyes. Those who knows this mantra, please recite with me. Others, just feel the vibration of this mantra. Asto ma
Priyanka ma'am, please unmute yourself. You are muted.
sorry, ma'am. So Asato ma sadgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just go down. Sama, please the hand. So this meaning of this mantra, oh Lord, keep me not in the unreality, but lead me towards reality. Keep me not in the darkness, but lead me towards the light. Keep me not in the fear of death, but lead me towards immortality. Maybe their peace, peace, peace. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I will now end the meeting for everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.